Hey guys, check this out. A water pump from my old '83 Toyota truck, four-wheel drive, the primer gray one. This water pump, the inside was fine. The propeller and the seal didn't dry out, but the bearings on it went out. You see there, it's kind of pushed out a bit. Let me show you guys. See how it's kind of making funny noises? Look at all that shit. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Well, I want to share it with you guys. Been wanting to do this video for a while, and I'm starting to run out of ideas. So here we go. Over and out.